Localism, as we say, is determinative and will be determinative in terms of the recovery here in Los Angeles from the devastation of the wildfires.
Well, Governor Newsom laying out a new economic blueprint for California with a focus on helping fire victims rebuild. Today, the governor hosted a fireside chat, and KCAL's Rachel Kim tells us he made it clear that helping those impacted by the Eaton and Palisades fires is priority.
The framework we advanced was novel. We have not, in the history of this state, advanced a detailed, comprehensive strategy for economic and workforce development that has been framed region by region.
On the campus of East LA College, Governor Gavin Newsom released a statewide plan and vision for economic growth. The California Jobs First economic blueprint was built with input from 13 regions in our state. Los Angeles County is one of the 13 that received more than $245 million in investments to drive sustainable economic growth, innovation, and access to good-paying jobs over the next decade. $13 million of that money is being invested in LA to help in our economic recovery from the wildfires.
I'm not naive about the imperative of moving to remove debris, concurrently to get people to feel optimism again, getting permits, getting people starting to rebuild their community. But we also need to be rebuilding confidence in the economy here in Los Angeles and the broader region, particularly as we build up to the Olympics, build up to other large-scale events.
Governor Newsom said local and statewide development is contingent on working with government on all levels.
I want to thank the administration, President Trump. They put over 1,500 boots on the ground, almost 1,600 at peak, to get phase one debris removal complete within record time.
To make sure the community's voices are heard through the recovery process, Governor Newsom announced a website the state launched last week, engaged.ca.gov.
Already 3,000+ people from the community, Altadena and the Palisades area, has already signed up. And our job is to make sure there's a feedback loop and that the city, the county, and the state are responsive to that community.
Newsom described the state's approach to rebuilding homes and businesses.
High level of energy and commitment to the issue of rebuilding smarter, rebuilding with resiliency and climate and science in mind, rebuilding with a much more aggressive posture to address the inevitability that there are going to be large-scale fires in and around the region into the future.
Rachel Kim, KCAL News.